And now for more on the victory of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu at the Apex Court, let's bring in TVC News' Ademola, who is joining me. Ademola, thanks so much for joining us. Talk to us about the reaction, what reaction has been so far regarding the victory of the incumbent governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, at the Supreme Court.
Ibrahim, it's indeed a very good one for Babajide Sanwo-Olu, of course, who have been affirmed as the duly elected governor of Lagos State after the Supreme Court had actually affirmed him by Justice GarbaLawal just earlier this morning. Don't forget, it's almost like 8 of the governors who are sadly to be affirmed by the Supreme Court. And this is indeed a very good one for them, for APC. And looking at what has transpired in the last election, there was so much rancor, between who exactly how the governorship election worked in Lagos State. And don't forget, it was between APC, PDP, and of course the Labour Party. And the Labour Party, of course, was the person of Rhodes-Vivour, who filed a case to the appeal court, to the electoral appeal court, saying that the deputy governor is not eligible, of course, to contest. But after after the Supreme Court judgment today, the Supreme Court judgment has been able to say that the deputy governor, of course, has a right, to contest alongside with the governor. And this is what they said. Said the deputy governor's acquisition of United States citizenship did not disqualify him from contesting the election, since he's a citizen of Nigeria by birth. And it also says a Nigerian citizen by birth who acquires the citizenship of another country does not deny him the right to contest an election, which is, of course, according to Section 29 of the Constitution, the person only loses his right if he renounces his Nigerian citizenship. So that's one of the things that was actually played out today at the Supreme Court. Another thing that also played out today at the Supreme Court was, of course, what happened with the PDP candidate in the person of Jide. But of course, the Supreme Court also ruled in favor of the governor. And the reaction has been the fact that the governor must be able to work, and the people, of course, from the reactions that I've gotten so far, now that governors can start, no distraction from anybody, any party, so governors can really start in full proper.
With the way it has been, the oppositions to Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, they've actually followed this through to the Supreme Court. Do you feel, based on recent development, do you feel that they might want to join in moving the state forward, because that is all what the candidates actually claimed they wanted to do in the first place?
So I think that it's going to be a very interesting one for Babajide Sanwo-Olu, looking at the fact that he's also going to sign in the budget today. So there's a lot at stake for him. The residents of Lagos are looking forward to good governance. Lagos have been thriving on his mantra since he came in 2019 with the team agenda. So he would definitely want to live up to his expectation now that he doesn't have any distraction from any of the political parties. So residents of Lagos will be looking forward to the good governance that they have voted for him. Over 700,000 people voted for him at that particular election last year. So we are looking forward to another interesting 4 years after his affirmation by the Supreme Court.
All right, TVC News correspondent Ademola Lawrence, live for us on the victory of Babajide Sanwo-Olu at the Supreme Court. Thank you so much for the update. Thank you.